So in this video, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to teach you how you can get the Apple Card with no hard inquiry, okay? If you get the Apple Card right now, it's going to be a soft pull for pre-qualification. When you accept the offer, then they will hard pull your TransUnion. In this video, I'm going to keep it short and sweet, and I'm going to tell you what you need to know so that way you don't get the hard pull from TransUnion. Keep it locked in. Welcome everybody back to the Radical Marketer YouTube channel where we teach you how to build credit, leverage credit, and create wealth. So smash that like button for me, punch that subscribe button, and knock out that bell notification button for me because I make videos daily and you, my friend, do not want to miss it. If it's your first time on my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I promise not to waste your time. I promise to give you all stuff and no fluff. Do me a massive favor. If it's your first time on my channel, comment first time viewer or first time watching. I and this amazing community would love to welcome you to the channel because we're all about helping one another to level up in our credit and entrepreneurial journey. So welcome to have you. And for all of my radical marketers out there, salute. It's because of you this channel has blown up, so you know what to do. Smash and demolish that like button. Throw 1, 2, 3, 4 comments in the comment section. Do your emoji dance in the comment section. I don't care. Tell YouTube right now that this is a video that needs to be seen by the masses so that way all of us can level up in our entrepreneurial journey. And if you're not part of the private Facebook group, you need to join it. Links below. It's completely free to join. Credit tips and hacks and all stuff that we can't talk about on the channel is revealed in that private Facebook group. It's completely free to join. No self-promotion, no spam allowed. Links in the description below. And then also follow me on Instagram at Radical Marketer. Send me your credit question. I'll get you a voice memo back and answer whatever business or personal credit question that you have. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's just jump right into the content for today. If you have not watched my reasons why I love the Apple Card, you need to do so, okay? The Apple Card is phenomenal for people that are starting off their credit journey. They can get massive credit limits as a soft pull. So all of the credit limit increases are a soft pull with the Apple Card. The Apple Card is a digital card that goes in your Apple Wallet. If you are an Android user and you use Lemon phones, I'm just joking, but if you use Android products, you could still get this card. I'll teach you how in this video as well. But this card is amazing because you can have $40,000 to $50,000 limits on this card, unlimited cash back, special financing on Apple products. If you're not into Apple, a great cash back card. And if you do any manufacturer spending, this would be a great card for you to do as well. But in this video, I'm going to teach you how to not get the hard pull from TransUnion because as we all know about the 24-hour inquiry hack with Experian, if you want to know how to do that, comment below and I'll make the video for the channel. But the 24-hour inquiry hack with Experian is working right now. But the Equifax and TransUnion are pretty difficult to get things removed. You can get them removed. You can get those inquiries removed. But if you don't have them on your credit report, it's just better not to have them. Also, this is the thing. If you have any hard pulls, if you have any inquiries, they only affect your credit for 12 months. After 12 months, they don't affect your credit score anymore. However, here's the problem. They're still on your credit report. If you have a super conservative lender, they can see that. And if you have too many inquiries on your report, they can say, they've been trying to get credit. They've been seeking credit. Anytime somebody's seeking credit, they look desperate in a bank's eyes and they like to, give you a runaround or whatnot. But inquiries only affect your score for the first 12 months that you have them, okay? And then they essentially stay on your report for another 12 months and then they fall off your report after 24 months, okay? Just so you all know that. And then also you can actually be denied if you have more than 3 to 4 inquiries on a certain bureau. So if you have 3 to 4 on Experian, you're applying for a card with Experian and you have more than 3 to 4 inquiries on there, they can deny you for seeking too much credit, right? So that's where credit gardening comes into play. That's where it comes being strategic and eliminating these inquiries. If you don't have to get them, you shouldn't have to get them. So let's dive into this, okay? So the Apple Card right here, like I said, you can go and just go apple.com /Apple Card. I'll put the link in the bio. You guys can apply there. Okay, just so you guys can see right there, no fees ever. This is an amazing card. If you're rebuilding your credit or you're starting your credit journey, get this card. If you have great credit, get this card. This is a card that I believe everybody needs to have. I'm a huge believer in it. You'll see a lot of YouTubers diss this card. I don't understand why they diss this card. I don't think they really know how to leverage credit, how you can leverage credit. If you're doing any manufacturer spending, this is an amazing card to get, okay? And then also 3% cash back when you shop at Apple, okay? 2% unlimited cash back. when you use Apple Pay. And then you have special vendors that you actually are going to be able to get extra 3% daily cash back. Now here's something right here. Walgreens, they have a thing called gift cards. You could purchase gift cards with this card, get the 3% back to eliminate some of the fees, and then liquidate those prepaid cards into money orders. But anyways, we'll talk about that in the Facebook group, not on the video. Anyways, yep. So that's basically, you guys can see how cool the card is. It's an awesome card. I really, really love the card. They're going to be adding more features to this card as time goes on. When you apply for the card, you're going to see this. See if you're approved in as little as 1 minute with no impact to your credit score. They're going to do a soft pull from a TransUnion. And then once you accept the offer, then they're going to hard pull you. So that's where this hack is going to come into play. And then also you'll see unlimited daily cash back with every purchase made, and then you can deposit that money into whatever bank account you want, whatever the thing is. There's no annual fees, no foreign transaction fees, no late fees, all of it. It's a really great card to get. Yeah, the interest is high, but I don't carry a balance on the card, so who cares? When you go to start, you're going to see this thing where you're going to log in with your Apple ID, or you can create yours there. So that's where this comes in. If you're an Android user and you want this card, that's where you're going to actually create your Apple ID. And then once you do, you can apply for the card. Then once you apply for the card and they say, congratulations, you're approved for 5,000, 10,000, whatever the case is, then what you're going to do is you're going to jump into TransUnion. If you don't have an account, you're going to set up your account. It's completely free to do that. If you already have an account, you're going to sign in and you're going to freeze your TransUnion, okay? That's the biggest thing you need to realize. Once they say you're approved, you're not going to accept your offer. You're going to go over here to TransUnion and you're going to actually freeze your report. You say, why? Because they've already pre-approved you based on a certain amount, so they're going to do that. And then once you freeze this, and then you're going to go back and accept the offer. Now, here's a couple things that you need to know, okay? You want to make sure that you don't unfreeze your TransUnion for, I would say, 45 to 60 days. You say, why? Because I've seen people have still a hard inquiry when they unfroze it too early. So do that. You also want to confirm that the freeze is there, right? And you don't want to do this freeze until you've actually gotten the pre-approval, okay? That's basically what I want to tell you on this. TransUnion is being used more, like Navy Federal uses them, and a lot of other lenders are using TransUnion more. The less inquiries you can do and get, the better. Like I said, the Apple Card's phenomenal with financing for Apple products for cash flow purposes, manufacturer spending. If you're not doing manufacturer spending, 2% cash back unlimited is great. It comes back as cash, not a statement credit, so that's amazing. But I highly recommend this card. Make sure that you watch my video on why I love the Apple Card. I drop gems and reasons why you should get this card. On top of that, comment if you have this card. How do you like this card? How has it helped you? But in my opinion, this is a go-to card for rebuilding credit, for starting credit, or for just leveraging your great credit and being able to do some sweet things with a personal card, okay? This card is not getting the value that it truly deserves, and I really love this card. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, like, comment, subscribe, join the private Facebook group, follow me on Instagram, comment, do you have the Apple Card? What's your limit? How do you like it? And I'll catch you all on the next video. Salute.